Here we have the 2022 Maverick again, and today we're going to replace the cabin air filter, or the pollen filter. Open a glove box, and right here on the side there's the soft open shock. Use a flat bladed screwdriver or something and carefully pry that off. Now on each side there's a tab. You just push them in and then fold the whole thing down, and you can unsnap it from the dash, take the box right out. There's the door for the filter. On either side there's a small plastic tab, and they're delicate, so be very careful with them. So the filter here, Motorcraft numbers at FP99. Now if you look at where the tabs are, it's almost like the engineers thought people are going to break them off. So they put this little thing there that you could put a screw in if you broke the tab off. So at least they gave you an alternate method of keeping the door closed. Now this FP99 filter, I checked in the Ford system and it only fits a Maverick. So none of the other model filters will fit in there, so maybe the aftermarket will come up with a HEPA one.